Hi, I'm Cass from Get Fit, Get Healthy with Cass. Welcome to my channel and join me as I document my life as a bikini pro athlete and a Pilates instructor.
Hi everyone, Cass here from Get Fit, Get Healthy with Cass, and you're at my new developing channel, Get Fit with Cass, which is a combination of my healthy lifestyle, bikini prep, bikini pro journey, and Pilates instructing all together in one place. So everything has their own playlist. Make sure you go through, look at the one that you're interested in, and they will build up. We're starting afresh right now, so please subscribe if you have found this channel, and thank you for coming back if you are one of my 44 subscribers right now. Yes, going from over 1,000 subscribers to 44. Actually, it was 34 a few days ago. It's taken me a minute to accept, but I have accepted the challenge and I am ready to build again. So subscribe please if you have not, and honestly, thank you so much for coming back if you have. This vlog is actually pretty short. What I will say for those of you that are new to me is that what I do is I do a weekly vlog. So a weekly vlog is pretty much the week of my bikini pro journey, and in it has a bit of everything, a bit of food, a bit of exercise demos. I will try to make sure that there is something Pilates in there as well. Yeah, but basically it follows my journey as a bikini pro, the builds, the shreds, the stresses, all of that stuff. There's a few exercise demos, there's a little bit of food prep. You know, it's a nice short one, so you're able to watch the whole lot. Okay, help me get those hours up, and subscribe. I build, and we're gonna come back even better. And you know, I have all that knowledge.
Hey, and welcome. So we'll start with some food talk. I have my pre-workout and then post-workout, which is rice and breakfast. Meal 4, this is a training day, and then meal 5 is my dinner, and it's prep every day, no days off. Sometimes I have to do the high row on the floor. It's not my favorite. I do rather to do it on the bench. Do have a short of the technique that I use on the bench. I'm leaning a bit too far back here. Should have like a 5-degree lean forward, but you want to engage that lat and then pull down. Keep your shoulder away from your ear. So as you stretch long, engage, then pull. Stretch, engage, pull, hold. Try to keep your whole body still. That's why it's much easier on the bench, because you just end up being able to isolate properly, but it's not always going to be a bench available, so do what you can on the floor. Just make sure that you're not rocking through the body. You keep a slight lean forward. That lean I have there, that's perfect. But for some reason on that first side, I seem to straighten up as I pulled back. You can see here on this side, I keep the form quite well. Form is everything. Weight is nothing. Form is what gets you your gains, making sure you're hitting the right spots. That's what's important. And then we are going to go into our lateral raises. So lateral raises, again, for bikini physique, we want to go pinkies up, okay? I think I'm just dropping the weight a little bit here because I seem to have been rocking through the body, which we don't want to do in any move. Form is super important. It's form, well and truly overweight. If you feel like you're rocking, if you feel like you're grabbing momentum or grabbing energy from other areas, seriously, just lower the weight and zone in on that form. So you want to rotate at the wrists and take those pinkies up so that we can get those beautiful delts that are required for bikini physique. We're going to go into the Arnold press. So you come down the same as a normal shoulder press, and then you're going to twist your wrist and to the front of your face, around about chin height, down, around, together. It's basically 2 different movements. So you've got the down, around, and then you're out and up. Okay? And again, we don't want to be jerking or getting momentum from other areas. So really make sure that you've got a weight you can control and you're coming all the way down to your shoulders, and then you're bringing the weights together at the front. Form overweight all the time. And we're going to throw in some front raises here. Literally, I have here the 2 kilo dumbbells. Like I say, it is form overweight every time. You want to glide those up nicely and then hold for a couple of seconds at the top and then glide down nicely. You don't want to be jerking up and jerking back. That's not going to gain you anything. And you don't ever get stronger by doing what you can't. And here's 3 different ways to do face pulls. Okay, so you've got the normal rope. I'm pulling a bit too low here. When you do them, pull to your forehead, not to your chin. You've got a rope where you grab around the ends like this. Again, to the forehead. Then you've got the ropes where you are really holding on like that. So I've just demonstrated both of those like twice. And now you have where you can use 2 ropes. So this allows you to get more depth into your upper delt area. So when you're pulling it to your forehead, you do go to your upper delt area, not to your lats. And again, you can hold it with that second type of grip. It's much more difficult with that second grip. It really does hit the spot that little bit more. But my absolute favorite that I use all the time at the moment is the double handles. Because both sides of our body have different strengths, they're different lengths. So when you have them working with their own apparatus, they can do what they need to do. You're not forcing it to work in a way that it's not ready for, if that makes any sense. But at the moment, I am fully on the double handles. And again, you're going to pull to your forehead, not to your nose or your chin, and you're going to really hit that spot. So as you know, I am a posing coach as well as a bikini prep coach and a healthy lifestyle coach. And we are coming into, this is the Singapore INBA posing. Now, I do posing coaching a couple of different ways. I'm more than happy for you to send me your posing video, and then I give you a voice recorded as well as written feedback. Or I do online sessions with people via Zoom where I can record and then send you your changes. I do all federations except for FMG. I don't do FMG. I would love to work with you.
Fun fact for you, yesterday we went to that Coburn gym together, right? Fun fact. So Revo has an app. You go into the app and you can scan to get entry. Now, smarty pants here. For the first time I've ever done this, I decided to go into photos and try and scan it like it's a proper QR code, and I honestly had no idea why it wasn't letting me in. None, zero. I stood out there for 5 minutes and I let someone else let me through the door, and then when I went to do my entry through the gate inside, which is, you have to do like the second thing to get into the gym after you get in through the door, I realized Dumbo wasn't in the fucking app. Oh my god, I don't know what was going on with me, but I'm going to use the app today, so bye.
So if you made it this far, you get to take advantage of this subscriber discount. It's huge.
It's a miserable morning here, Friday in Western Australia. It's time for the 6 a.m. Pilates class here at Katajini Park, and we will still roll because inside it's nice and dry and we will get warm. So I look forward to seeing those that do turn up this morning. Put your hoodie on, but as you come in the door.
This is one move I love doing in class, but with the dumbbell.
Hi everyone, it's a beautiful Saturday here in Western Australia. Windy and cold. And I'm getting swooped by a magpie. What the fuck? Go away. Great, that's fabulous. Watch out for the magpies. Oh my fuck. Lucky it wasn't coming from a height. I wasn't even ready for that at all. I am going to find where the Octagon Theatre is here at the University of Western Australia, and really hope that that doesn't happen again. Oh my god. I really wasn't prepared for that. I am going to be watching a friend from my local gym that is competing in the bodybuilding category today, and I know I'm going to get some serious FOMO. It's quite a small show, so I think I'll stay all the way. The bikini category is last, and I know personally a couple of the girls competing in that. So, you know, it'll be good to see. I think that'll be a good fight out. So, yeah, so this is the NPC Naturals State Championships in Western Australia. And now I'm walking through really sludgy ground with my beige Lacoste. I've made some really poor choices studying this video. Shit. I think I'm going over here. Yeah, I'll do some, I don't know that we're allowed our phones on, but I'll try and do some sneaky footage through the morning. And good luck to everyone competing. I'm happy to be here watching, and I know I look like a random weirdo with bottles on my head, but you know, I really was not ready for that magpie, and I'm lucky it came from below me rather than from a tree. See you later. Enjoy your Saturday.
Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all again next time.